I am Andy Nickols, owner of Nickols Roofing and Gutters. What motivates me are people. I wouldn't be able to do this by myself. I rely on the people on our team, and I do believe that we have the best team around. I think we invest a lot of time and a lot of effort into caring for each other, and that allows us to be able to care for other people and to care for people well. Roofing companies are encouraged to cut corners to take a big paycheck. And that's what we're fighting against all the time. Price is relatively irrelevant. The price is just the price. Anybody can charge whatever they want because the value of something is what somebody's willing to spend for it, and that's all there is to it. We don't want to go just based off price. We want to give you the best experience that we can with the best roof that's possible to make sure that you're taken care of and to make sure that your house is taken care of. So I started in the roofing industry because at the time I was working with refugees in the Sahara Desert. I was home for the summer and needed to find work. I knew some people from my past experience in the building industry, and they were looking for roofers. So I applied and started there, and what was meant to be a summer job has turned into a 15+ year career. I started Nickols Roofing because I wanted to be able to care for people well. In this industry, words tend to just be words. I wanted to be able to flesh out the words. I want our words to mean something. We put a lot of effort into our follow-through, saying what we're going to do and then being able to do what we said we were going to do. That's not something that you find very often, and is what sets us apart.